All right, so for this one, the why is it false, I'm going to be going with A. The measuring a declination of 90 degrees is one of the best indicators that we are headed for a magnetic reversal. This is false kind of for two reasons. One of the reasons is that we don't really have a way to tell if there's going to be a magnetic reversal coming. We don't really have a way to determine if that is happening soon. It could last for thousands of years, it could last for millions of years, whatever it is. So there's not really a way to determine if that is accurate or not, if it's happening. And then the bigger reason actually, and I'm going to pull up the table from one of our labs. A normal polarity is a declination near 0 or 360, and then you can see kind of in here all the way from the beginning here at station number 118, if you can kind of follow where my mouse is, all the way down, that's going to be in between, closer to that 0 to 360, making it a normal polarity. Obviously you can see it doesn't change until right here in New Mexico, where it drops to 180, which makes it a reverse polarity, the declination near 180. So you can kind of tell even within that, there's not really a declination of 90, even to determine if a flip is going to happen. Just because, like you can see even right here, it went from 4 to 180, which obviously flipped us from normal to reverse. But 90 isn't in there, and it isn't a measurement of the change in declination from normal to reversal. I don't know if I'm wording that right or if it makes sense, but my rationale, that's kind of how I look at it. It's not in the criteria, I guess, for what you would say is going to be a change or be able to determine it. So obviously it's false for two reasons. A, we can't, or 1A, however you want to look at it, 1A, we can't determine when it's going to flip, and 2B, or 2B, whatever you want to call it, that's not one of the declinations that determines if it has flipped or not. So